Radha Krishna Yugal mantra is a mind-stealing mantra. It's a Manohar mantra. This is confirmed by Bilva Mangala Thakur, because the Maha mantra comes, it's Krishna's flute. It's Radha and Krishna. Where Krishna is there, Radha is there. Where Radha and Krishna are there, that's rasa dance, and the flute must be there. As we established, Jago Kalam, the flute is Krishna's constant companion, as is Radha and Krishna. So when we chant the Radha Krishna Yugal Maha mantra, what is the Radha Krishna Yugal Maha mantra? Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Mind-stealing mantra. We say Maha Mantra. We say Jagokalam, Vamadrisham, Manohara, Manhara, Mantra. Mantra man iti trayate. Mantra man iti trayate. In Puran it says, the Hare Krishna Mahamantra, which is called the Radha Krishna Yugal Mahamantra, that great mantra to worship Radha and Krishna Yugal. Radha Krishna Yugal Mahamantra. It is Ascharya mantra, Ascharya, Adbhut mantra, Ascharya mantra, Chamatkar mantra, astonishing, amazing, wonderful, because it steals the mind. The Radha Krishna Yugal Mahamantra is a mind-stealing mantra. Steals the mind once and for all. We chant the Maha mantra, goes in our ears, and brings the calm Gayatri, the calm Bija, awakens desires to love and serve Krishna eternally, in the most intimate, astonishing way, and awakens detachment, and it steals our mind away from anything material, and it purifies our mind and heart of all greed, anger, and lust and envy. This is the Manohar mantra. The Radha Krishna Yugal Mahamantra, the Hare Krishna Mahamantra is the Manohar mantra that Jagokalam Krishna has brought into this world. Jagokalam Krishna has brought the Manohar mantra into this world in the form of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Patita Pavan Avatar, Kali Yuga Yuga Dharma Nam Sankirtan. Kali Yuga Dharma Nam Sankirtan, Krishna Nam Sankirtan. Kali Yuga Dharma, the Dharma for Kali Yuga is Krishna Nam Sankirtan. This was introduced 500 years ago to the world. And everyone is having their mind satisfied, pleased, and filled with spiritual desires by chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra, this Manohar mantra. Mind stealing, mantra, mind. Mantra man iti trayate. That mantra, man iti trayate, which steals, frees, liberates, elevates, purifies, and enlightens the mind. That is mantra, Maha mantra, the mind-stealing Manohar mantra, the Hare Krishna Maha mantra. So with this point, we'll close today's class. Everyone take up this Manohar mind-stealing mantra, be delivered from birth and death, be delivered from the pains and pinchings and of material cravings of lust and anger, become peaceful, pure, happy, and joyful forever, dancing in the Rasa Lila, eternal loving service, and a celebration of love with Krishna and Gopis and all the Brijvasis.